Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jimmy's Kitchen. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so you can get notified when next I upload a new video. Guys, I'm making a special kind of vegetable salad, so make sure you stick with me to the end of this video. So one good benefit of taking cabbage in your salad is that one, it improves your digestion. Also, it keeps your heart healthy. It lowers your blood pressure and your cholesterol level, and the most important part of it, it helps to strengthen your bone. So why not? Oh, lest I forgot, it keeps the inflammation in check. So cabbage is everything. Now to lettuce, it helps to strengthen your bones, it's good for your eye health, and it helps to promote your sleep. So why not? Cucumber is very good for your eyesight, so it improves your sight. It helps to also clot your blood properly. It strengthens your bone. It boosts your immune system. It helps reproduction. In fact, the benefits of cucumber cannot be overemphasized. So apart from taking it in salads, you can just take it. You can snack on it. It is very beneficial for you. So would you be taking some cucumber today? Plantain is totally optional in this recipe. You do not have to take it if you do not like it. But let me remind you that plantain is a major source of potassium. And you know what potassium does? It helps to maintain the cell and body fluids. It helps to control your cholesterol. It lowers the cholesterol, and it's also a very good source of fiber. So you might just consider picking it today, but like I said, if you do not want it, it is fine. You keep it out of your recipe. One other thing is that it encourages children to take salad. So if you have children that are picky eaters or younger ones that do not like to eat salad, this might just be one way of encouraging them to eat your own special salad. So sweet corn is rich in vitamin C, and it helps to combat free radical damage in your body system. Kidney beans is a good source of protein and is rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. So here's my shredded chicken, which I'm just using to elevate the taste of my special salad. Carrot is good for your skin. So if you want a popping skin, try carrot. It's also a good source of vitamin C. So for this recipe, boiled eggs is totally optional. You can choose to use it and you can choose to ignore it as your preference. So yeah, I'm just adding my salad cream. You could use some mayonnaise if that is what you have or what you prefer. So let me remind you that you do not need to add cream if you're not consuming immediately. For this salad, we are eating it almost immediately, so that's why I'm adding cream to everything. But if you still want to keep it in your fridge for some minutes, you do not need to add your cream. You can add your cream at the point of serving. So this is very important so you don't waste your time doing this, because when you add cream before putting it into the fridge, it's not good for the salad. It changes the taste, and the salad cream would probably just turn to water, and you do not want that. So don't just try it. In fact, don't add cream, in my own opinion. But because we are heating it now, so we have to add cream. Okay. All right, so this is what it looks like after serving it. Oh, this is so yummy. You should try to do yours. You should really try it. Thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way next time in my next video. Bye bye.